inside these walls, echoes of change through quiet halls. The past still whispers, soft and low, but I've learned to bloom where wild things grow. Roots of freedom breaking ground. Home is where my soul is found. Through change and storm, I'll stand my way, building new worlds from yesterday. I've carried love in different forms through open skies and summer storms. The ties that hold don't have to bind. I'll plant my peace and free my mind. Every ending starts anew. The heart finds strength in what is true. I'm not defined by what has been. The home I build begins within. Roots of freedom breaking ground. Home is where my soul is found. Through change and